welcome to Tammy Lee TV, and today we are doing a strength workout for beginners using the Tabata method. So 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, followed by 8, then we'll get a 1-minute break, and we're gonna do 2 Tabata rounds today. So let's get started with a quick warm-up. Let's start by marching. I hope you're feeling good today. No equipment is required for this workout, just your body weight. Some front kicks, keep it low. All right, now let's step touch, side to side. Turn this to a leg curl. Let's squat up and down, just little squats. Okay, and we're gonna pivot like so, and we're just gonna do little split squats here. Not deep, just little. Short range. Whoa. Switch legs. Okay, come back to center, nice big deep breath. One more time. Okay, that is a little warm-up. If you need to do an extended warm-up, just pause the video right now and go a little bit longer. Otherwise, we're gonna get into it. So I'm gonna turn on my Tabata counter for the workout, and then that will, if you can see it, that's great, but if you can't, don't worry about it because I will cue you through everything. We have 2 exercises in our first Tabata round. We're gonna do half squats. Okay, so just half range. So you don't want to come down the whole way like this. You just want to go halfway like that. Taking care of the neutral of the spine. Make sure you keep it neutral as you squat down. And we're going to superset. We're going to do that for the first 4 20-second rounds. And then we're going to do side leg raises. So we're going to stand and then lift our leg out to the side. And we'll do those after we finish up with the squats. Okay? Get ready, get set, half squats first. Just pumping up and down. Not fast and not slow. Perfect, and then just take a little rest, 10 seconds. We're going to do that again. This time we're going to slow it down even more. So here, and then down here. Up, down, pause. Up, down, pause. So building a little bit more intensity through that pause for muscular endurance training. Awesome. Strength and endurance through body weight training. Yes, it can be done. Absolutely. Here we go. This is number 3. Just pausing and focus. Perfect. Take a little rest. One more of that. When you're doing your squats, make sure your knees aren't coming in this way. You're keeping them tracking over your toes. Here we go. Almost there. Perfect. Take a rest. Next up is side leg raises. We're We're gonna do one leg and then switch over to the other side, back and forth. Get ready. Here we go. When you do this exercise, you want to stand nice and tall. You can put your foot down in between, or you can just keep it up like this if you want to make it harder. Otherwise, okay, take a little rest. Get ready. Other side. Oh, my hip is clicking on this side. I think it's time to go see the chiropractor. Okay, march it out. Other side. Excellent. March it out, and then one more on the other side, and our first Tabata round is over. It goes so fast. Get ready. Here we go. Excellent. Okay, that's it. That's our first Tabata round done. Now, our next one is going to be split squats with a glute bridge circuit. So split squats, we will take this stance, nice upright spine, so we're not leaning forward or hyperextending back. And we're going to dip this back knee down towards the ground as far as you can go. If you can't get to the floor, don't worry about it. You don't have to. And you'll feel quite a stretch through here as well. So we dip down, pause, and then back up, down, pause. We'll do each leg, we'll alternate back and forth, and when we're done those, we're gonna get on the floor and do a glute bridge circuit. So we lift our hips up like this, squeezing our bum, and I'll have different stances for you. Okay, get ready. We're gonna start with the split squats. Here we go. Just focus. Slight pause at the bottom. Perfect. Okay, shake out those legs, and we're going to switch them this time. Get ready. Here we go. Focus. I have a mirror, so I can watch my form. I can see my shoulders, like I'm just staying nice and upright. It's good if you have a mirror. And take a rest. Other leg, get ready. Here we go. Pause right here, up, pause, up. Just a little pause. Focus on your form and control. Don't worry about how many reps you do. It's time under tension. We got 20 seconds. 20 minutes. Ooh, that would be not a good fun split squat. Okay, here we go. This is the last one for this, and then we get on the floor. Perfect. Now, on the floor, you're going to take a narrow, legs are narrow first. So bring them together, and we're going to lift our hips. And go. Up and down. Squeeze your bum at the top. So you just give a little squeeze. Okay, and now go wide. Get ready, get set, go. Breathing and focus, squeezing those glutes. Perfect. Now take a neutral, so feet are hip width apart. Get ready, lift. Almost there. Okay, and now we're gonna take butterfly. So your feet are together, legs are wide. Get ready and lift. This is it. This is our last exercise right here. And then we're done. It's pretty quick. But there you get some leg strengthening exercises. Perfect. That's it. Yay! Now we're on the floor. So let's just do a little quick stretch and then you can get on with your day. Okay, let's bring the soles of our feet together. I hope you enjoyed that. And let's just do a little rock like so. And then the other direction. Excellent. Let's take one leg out and just reach. Keeping your back nice and neutral, so you're not rounding your back. And then let's stretch the quads. Squeezing your belly and your bum at the same time. Watch that low back. Don't want to hyperextend. You just want to be able to stretch your quads. Concentrate on that. Take this leg, wrap it around like this, stretch her out. Oh, got a little cramp in my TFL. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then release. Let's bring this leg in, this leg out, reach. Breathing nice and deep. Okay, let's stretch our quads. And then bring this leg around and stretch your glutes. Awesome. Okay, that's it. There you go. Take some nice, big, deep breaths. I hope you enjoyed this quick little Tabata routine. Get her done. You can use this if you really liked it and you want to do it again. Just repeat it right now. Or you can just use this on a daily basis or whenever you want. Actually, if you liked it, let me know in the comments section below. Share my video and make sure you're subscribed. And if you want more featured Tabata programs, go visit my website, gofitlife.ca, because I have a library I'm building over there. All right, that's it for now. Have a fantastic day.